yeah, sure, okay, fine. Are you also tired of speaking same old yes time and again? Well, get yourself ready to learn different words and expressions that we can use in place of saying yes. But wait, there's one twist in this, and that is I'm not going to tell some old alternatives. Instead, I am going to tell you some modern English phrases and expressions. So let's get going. Hey everyone, this side Rashika and you are watching NIEL. Well, first of all, you all know that this yes is used to agree with someone. Like for example, do you want to have pizza? Yes. But these we use time and again. So let's learn new phrases. The very first alternative is sure thing. This is semi-formal. For example, do you want to come there for shopping with me? Sure thing. Tell me the time. Well, the next alternative is for sure. This is a shortened word for sure. This means definitely or obviously without any doubt. For example, are you coming to party tonight? For sure. How can I miss it? Well, the next one is okie dokie. This is very playful and informal word. Suppose your partner came home after a tiring day and instantly you thought of giving her rest from the dinner. So you asked, let's go out for dinner today. And she instantly replied, okie dokie, but I will have ice cream too after dinner. Well guys, just a little reminder that these all are informal. So kindly take care when and with whom you should use. Let's continue. The next one is I am all for it. That simply means that I am ready for it. Like for example, do you want to have drive with me? I am all for it. That means I am ready for it. Well, the next one is obvi. Now this is a shortened word of obviously. Like you can say obvi, she will become a doctor as she is really working hard for it. Well, the next is 100p. 100p is shortened word of 100%. That means completely. Like for example, did you enjoy movie? 100p, it is worth watching. And the last one is go for it. That means you can move further with it. For instance, I have come across new place for dinner tonight. Shall we go there? Go for it. I would love to know that place. Well, now it's time to wrap this up. I hope you understood all of these. Don't forget to say yes to such content by clicking on like, share and subscribe. We'll see you again. Till then, keep learning.